You are one of the very few that are willing to face what's broken and actually believe that we can bring healing to this society. It's a very tough position to be in. This is why you clicked this video. We are trying to build loving relationships and a healthy physical body inside a system that makes it near impossible to do so. I'm Shelly, and I call our time together Exfoli Expressing. I'm a relational coach to you, back to you. There are great reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. Here's mine. I have notes because I want to stay on topic and your time is precious, so my videos will never be over 15 minutes. But it's not all about continuing to manage all the stressors of life with anxiety medication, or it's not all about mastering emotional regulation, and it's not about learning better relational skills. Yes, all of those are needed to be strengthened in, but in the strongest sequential order, the best bang for your buck. It's like building a house. You can't install the plumbing first. There has to be a firm foundation and structure built first to put all of those pieces in. And our mainstream society helpers just keep making billions of dollars off of us. They are not our helpers. So think of all the medicines, all the therapy, all the prayers, all the doctors and specialists. Yes, they are pieces of the puzzle, but they are band-aids on top of emotional broken bones and energetic wound gashes. This is really about auditing those structures that are holding us hostage and brainwashing all of us to think we are so blessed to have them. So for example, all of my hard-earned money, paying for therapy for myself and my family, and my counseling degree handcuffed me to structures like overworked corporate life with no space for adequate rest. Also, a very toxic food system that gives us autoimmune issues. Also, the ungodly price tags of education, cars, and houses, handcuffed. So again, you're trying to build loving relationships, wanting them desperately, and a healthy physical body. We're trying to do that inside systems that make it near impossible to do so. And it's important to say, we have family members who are deeply suffering physically, financially, and if they don't choose the right religion, they either get pity or shame for not being smart enough to make the correct afterlife choice. And I say that coming from a lifetime and a long lineage of a devout structural system. Mine was severe. Not all of them are. And not everybody experiences it the way that I did. But yes, questioning systems of mind control and the way that we raise children. So in this space, Exfoli Expressing, I direct our attention towards two pillars. One, yes, strengthening your inner world to respond better to all of the nonsense of these systems. And two, as we question all the systems, your ideas, your brilliance, your talents will spark. And it will lead you to restoring and creating new structures where you can finally flourish on this gorgeous earth. I'm here to help you recognize the systems in your life that are incubating dysfunction. People are lazy for a reason. People are overwhelmed for a reason, and it's not just family trauma. It's not just a wounded inner child. We get to stop blaming ourselves and attacking the wrong people while protecting ourselves as people are still lashing out and controlling and manipulating. Newsflash, the bad guy is invisible, and I wish that was a joke. This is very ugly. And that's why your invisible skills are so important. Not just emotional growth, not just integrity, grit, self-control, all invisible, but even greater invisible skills. And here's where my work is a bit different. First, I'm a little quirky. I never want to come across as if I have all the answers, because no one does. We need each other. We're all a little gullible in some areas, weak in other areas, and we all need to be cautious. But I've been through a lot. You've been through a lot. It's been ugly, and I'm fed up with it. So I'm starting a YouTube channel. And because some of these topics are uncomfortable and most people naturally avoid what feels impossible to face. But I'm telling you, it is not impossible for us to fix this. It will take time. All of these topics are guided through a modality I call intuitive art therapy, and I pair it with journaling. These are two great paths of going quiet and being able to listen to yourself. No art skills needed, no pressure to make anything look pretty. It's going to be a mess. So yes, I do have an art therapy certification, but whoop-de-doo. If you can draw shapes and doodle, then you can do this, and I hope you have fun with it. It's supposed to be relaxing. The reason I pair art and hard topics together, it's because when your hand moves freely with no rules, just abstract, it signals to your brain to relax. And when your brain relaxes, it's easier to look at things that are sad. Everyone is going through intense grief. So in this space, it's easier to process overwhelm. It's easier to access clarity. It's intuitive. You are designed to solve complex problems. It's about creating the internal space where real awareness can happen, not just healing your pain and frustrations, but the ripple of how that restores everything around you. We can do it. I hope to hear from you. Email me, please. Tell me your story and why you're here. Let's connect. And yes, if you're interested in working with me, my price is cheap, but my time is not cheap. I'm not here to coddle or enable you. I will hear your pain briefly because we have work to do. And I am full of compassion, and I know what I'm asking of you because you are capable of it. It's not easy, and it's not even simple. But if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Most of the time, we just need the proper support at the right time. That nonsense that says, when you are ready, it will happen for you. That's not true. Everyone is ready for a loving earth. We just don't have enough support people. And I will be urging you to start a YouTube channel. I can take you through all the little steps. It's free. And it's easier than you think. And your voice is needed, and your passion and your particular skill is so needed at this time. Mwah. Bye for now.